Tonight, we continue our exploration of all things local seafood, local being defined as the Jersey Shore, where we have temporarily relocated for the summer. And tonight is our penultimate episode in this series. So I wanted to use a special ingredient. We're gonna use local scallop. And scallop is one of these ingredients that people love, but are often afraid to make at home for one reason or another. They find it intimidating, but they're perfectly happy to pay $40, $50 or even more in their favorite restaurant. So we're gonna demystify cooking scallops tonight. I'll show you how to make a deep, dark, golden sear on your scallop. We're gonna finish it in a very bright, punchy, lemony with just a little bit of cream sauce. Our star ingredient are the scallop. These scallops were harvested from Point Pleasant, New Jersey. That's a few miles down the road. And you can see they look absolutely beautiful. They could not be more fresh. They could not be more local. The other ingredients we're gonna use are very straightforward. We've got some garlic we're gonna mince up, some parsley for color, a little bit of white wine. I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc, but if it's dry and you like to drink it, it's gonna work in this dish. Some lemon and some heavy cream. We won't use all of that. So to prepare your scallop, there's not much to do here. The first thing you wanna do is make sure you take them out early. Let them come to room temperature for 20 or 30 minutes. Then the only other thing you really need to do is make sure that they are dry. So pat them down with a paper towel. It needs to be very dry in order to promote the golden, deep, dark golden sear. Then you're gonna hit it with a little seasoning and pepper. Both sides. Okay, so for the garlic, you just wanna first get rid of the paper, then just give it a smash, and then you'll just mince it on up. Okay, we're gonna juice our lemons. Okay, we really don't need much parsley. We're just gonna pick off the big stems. Okay, once we've got rid of the big stems, give it a quick chop, reasonably fine mince. Okay, over a fairly high heat, I'm gonna put in about a little over a tablespoon of unsalted butter because it has a higher smoke point than salted butter. And then we're gonna use a little bit of neutral oil just so that butter doesn't burn. Let the water that's in the butter evaporate, so let that keep bubbling out. Then we're gonna start inserting our scallops. We're gonna work outside in. It's important that none of them are touching each other. That's close, but they're not touching. Don't move them around. You need to let them be so they can get that deep golden sear. That's really what we're looking for here. Okay, it's been about 1:30, so we're gonna go in the same order. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we're looking for. And probably just about a minute, not a full minute and a half on the second side. Okay, time to take these babies out. Look at that. For our sauce, we'll give it a little more butter. Let's toss in our garlic. In you go. Okay, we deglaze with some white wine. We're gonna let that cook down by about half. Okay, you can see that wine is reduced by about half. We're gonna add in some butter. Gonna add in some lemon. Taste. Season. And we finish with a little cream. A little more seasoning. Now for plating, we're gonna give a little bit of our sauce. My favorite scallops. And then we sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley. Maybe hit it with just a bit more pepper. And that is how you do it. And you can see how it's seared on the outside and not fully cooked on the inside. That is perfection. Local sea scallops. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. That's the best way for you to support this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh my God.